MCAS number 6 Academy online. This is for question number 3. All right, so we have to figure out how many seats are on the bus first. If it has X number of seats, it says that the bus is 2/5 full and there are 30 people on the bus. So 2/5 of the bus is full. That's technically telling you what it is. 2/5 of the bus is currently filled. So if I just take that and use that as a verbal model, 2/5 remains 2/5. Of means multiply. The bus is what we have in the problem as X. Is means equals. Full tells me how many seats were occupied, 30. And when we translate each of those words into its mathematical symbol, we have a one-step equation in front of us. 2/5 X is equal to 30. So since 2/5 is being multiplied by X, I could divide, but remember, dividing by a fraction is such a pain. So instead, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. So then 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 divided by 10 is a single X. But then I'm multiplying a whole number by a fraction, so I'm going to put the whole number in a ratio of 30 to 1 so that I could line up my unit. So I have 30 times 5 divided by 1 times 2, which is 2. So X equals 150 divided by 2, so that's 75. So I know X, the number of seats on the bus, is 75. And since this is a multiple choice question, it's kind of hard because you see the answer right there, B, of 75 seats. But again, I always stress you need to go back and reread the question that it's being asked. It says how many seats are empty. And what did X stand for? X stood for the number of seats on the bus. But you know 30 are occupied. So if there are 75 seats on the bus and 30 are occupied, then the difference is going to tell me how many seats are empty. So the correct answer is C. Remember, when you get to the final answer in a word problem and you think that's all you have to do, please make sure you go back and read that prompt to see what they're actually looking for. Sometimes you assume you know what they're looking for, so you stop and you forget to actually go back to that final answer.